I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And today, we're going to show you our gaiters.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today we are going to be working with our gaiter. This is 10.6 inches by 19 inches. It is a nice white. It has a stitching on the sides as well as the top and the bottom. So let's get started.
Okay, we did our design using Photoshop and we printed using our F570. All right, we're just gonna trim this up. And I did print both sides, side by side. Okay, I'm just going to tape this on there with some thermal tape.
And you can also use adhesive paper or you can use adhesive spray to spray lightly on the paper and then transfer your image to on your press.
All right, we're ready for the first press.
Okay, today we are using our Hatronics Fusion. It is a 16 by 20 inch press, so perfect for this type of item. I'm going to be placing silicone down on my bottom platen. You can also use a Teflon sheet as well, and just make sure you wipe after each use. I'm going to place my image face down, and then just make sure that when you are placing on your press, you make sure you have enough room, it doesn't hang off or anything, otherwise you're not going to get a good transfer. I'm just going to cover again with silicone, just in case. And then today we are pressing at 385 degrees for 60 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay. So we are going to remove all of our layers. This is going to be a hot peel.
We can just put it there.
And I have thermal gloves on hand just in case they are needed. Fabric is usually not too hot when it comes off of the press, so normally you can just use your hands, but again, always have those thermal gloves on handy just in case. Okay, just remove all of our tape. And again, this has already cooled, so we are ready to do our second side. If it's still a little hot, just wait to do that second side.
All right, we're gonna do the same thing. Place it on there and adhere it on with our thermal tape or adhesive spray. All right, we are ready for that second side.
Okay. So I'm going to use silicone again. And then same thing, you're going to place the image face down. Make sure that you align appropriately on the press so it's not hanging off. Okay, we're at the same settings again, so we're at 385 degrees for 60 seconds and medium pressure. Okay, so we are done with our second side. Again, we're going to remove all of our layers. It's going to be a hot peel. You can always make sure you have your thermal gloves on hand, just in case. Okay, and just one smooth motion, just to avoid any ghosting, possible ghosting. And just remove your tape immediately. And there you go, you now have one personalized item. So again, you can do both sides, or you can just do one side and just use as that purpose. Anything else you want to add in there, Meredith?
Yeah, these are actually great for putting that school mascot on there too, and showing some school spirit. Also, we did use the template on this, so make sure you use it. It makes it a lot easier.
There you go. So again, you can find templates and instructions on coastalbusiness.com. Thank you for watching our video tutorial, and we will see you next time.